Only on 48, we're hearing brand new exclusive details surrounding a self-proclaimed pastor who's accused of preying on women around Huntsville. Michael McDougal is facing a felony human trafficking charge.
Investigators say he would promise to help homeless and drug-addicted women, claiming he was a pastor, but that charity came in exchange for sex. Today was his first hearing in front of a judge. WAFF 48's Nick Ballinger was the only reporter in that courtroom today. Nick, you actually spoke to him. What did he have to say?
I did, Margot. McDougal is maintaining his innocence. Now, during the hearing, investigators detailed victims saying that Michael McDougal or Pastor Mike would often prey on women in vulnerable positions. Now, they say that he would often offer them Bible verses, he would offer them help, and he would even pay them $40 to have sex with him. Now, I spoke exclusively with McDougal right after this ruling.
Mike, any thoughts?
Sir, all charges are false. They're all wrong, and they're lying on them.
Michael McDougal says he's an innocent man, yet he's accused of posing as a pastor to offer help to drug-addicted and homeless women while paying them for sex. Assistant District Attorney Shay Keller left court disappointed after a Madison County District Judge threw out 3 of 4 felony human trafficking charges.
I mean, it's an unfortunate result, but we'll continue to pursue what we believe to be an egregious violation of the laws of Alabama, and we'll just see what the grand jury has to say about it.
Investigators testified McDougal would visit homeless camps and community outreach programs looking for women in need. A break in the case came with the arrest of one victim on drug charges whose phone kept ringing. She told investigators it was, quote, Pastor Mike looking to have sex again. After McDougal agreed to meet her for sex, that's when police arrested him and found 3 more victims in his phone. All 3 women with drug addictions. They told investigators McDougal would tell them he would turn their life around, offer to go to church, and ask them to have sex for $40 or drugs. They say he even bailed one woman out of jail when she asked how she would pay him back. He said, quote, with your body. All 4 women told investigators Pastor Mike is known in the jail as someone who can get you out. Pastor Mike tells me he didn't take advantage of them. They took advantage of him.
How did they take advantage of you?
Because they took my kindness for weakness, and they've formed up a bunch of charges on me saying I did this, that, and the other, which I really didn't.
What was your goal when talking to these women and offering them money for sex and bailing them out of jail?
That was not my goal.
That was not your goal? What was your goal?
That's not my goal. My goal is to help people.
McDougal's attorney argued that there was no evidence of McDougal doing this other than the testimony of drug-addicted women. The judge ruled the evidence she heard sounded more like prostitution and not human trafficking, which requires deception or coercion.
In my opinion, that is not a transaction on equal footing. Prostitution is, I do a sex act for you, you give me X amount of dollars, I get what I want, you get what you want. That's not what this was.
And the DA's office plans to take all 4 felony charges to a grand jury and indict McDougal on all 4 counts. Now, you want details. Trust me, I've got plenty more. Just visit our website, WAFF.com. Attached to this article, it'll be posted shortly, and it'll have all the details in this case. But for now, reporting live in Huntsville, Nick Ballinger, 48 on your side.
All right, thank you.